This question is to determine the exact arc length of a curve. Find the exact length of the curve defined by the equation x equals 3 minus the square root of y for values of y ranging from 0 to 4. Express your final answer in its simplest, exact form. First step is to recall the arc length formula. When a curve is defined by x as a function of y, the formula for arc length from y equals a to y equals b is: take the integral from a to b of the square root of 1 plus the square of the derivative of x with respect to y. That gives us the length of the curve over that interval. Next step is to find the derivative. Since x is equal to 3 minus the square root of y, the derivative of x with respect to y is negative 1 divided by 2 times the square root of y. Squaring this, we get 1 divided by 4y. So the integrand becomes the square root of the quantity 1 plus 1 divided by 4y, which simplifies to the square root of the quantity 4y plus 1 divided by 4y. This can be rewritten as the square root of 4y plus 1, divided by 2 times the square root of y. Next step is to use substitution. Let's simplify this by making a substitution. Let u be the square root of y. That means y equals u squared, and dy becomes 2u do. When y is 0, u is 0. When y is 4, u is 2. Substitute into the integral. We get the square root of 4u squared plus 1, divided by 2u, multiplied by 2u do. The u terms cancel, and we are left with the integral of the square root of 4u squared plus 1 with respect to u, from 0 to 2. Next step is to apply the standard integral formula. There's a standard integral formula for the square root of a squared times u squared plus 1. It says, the integral equals 1 divided by 2a times the quantity a u times the square root of a squared u squared plus 1 plus the natural logarithm of a u plus the square root of a squared u squared plus 1. In our case, a is equal to 2. So the integral becomes 1/4 times the quantity 2u times the square root of 4u squared plus 1 plus the natural log of 2u plus the square root of 4u squared plus 1, all evaluated from 0 to 2. Next step is to evaluate the expression. Plug in u equals 2. 4 times 2 squared is 16, plus 1 is 17. So the square root of 17 appears. 2u becomes 4. We then have 4 times the square root of 17, plus the natural log of 4 plus the square root of 17. Multiply everything by 1/4, and we get the square root of 17 plus 1/4 times the natural log of 4 plus the square root of 17. At the lower limit, when u is 0, everything evaluates to 0, so it does not contribute. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Thank you so much.